Hey guys, here's the GV90 Neolun, Genesis' first flagship SUV, the culmination of a decade of innovation and craftsmanship. Inspired by the Neolun concept unveiled in 2024, it embodies the Korean Sunnim philosophy of hospitality, treating every customer like a VIP. From the moment you step inside, the Neolun arch gate doors, a world first, open facing each other, creating a majestic and spacious passageway. Behind this elegance lies cutting-edge engineering, an aluminum chassis, a reinforced structure, and 12 airbags, including the world's first roof airbag, guaranteeing uncompromising safety. Beneath its imposing exterior, the GV90 hides exceptional electrified power. Its high-capacity 123.5 kWh battery provides a range of nearly 500 kilometers, and its motors deliver 490 kilowatts and 800 Newton-meters of torque. Thanks to its dual electronic limited-slip differential and multi-chamber air suspension, it handles both city streets and rough terrain with effortless ease. Inside, it's a veritable rolling lounge. Power swivel seats, semi-aniline leather, an executive console with heated Ondol wood flooring, and a 25-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system transform every journey into a private concert. Ambient Glow lighting enhances the atmosphere, while Clio's Connect and the Gleo AI onboard system open up a new interactive dimension. The exterior design, inspired by the Korean lunar vase, expresses timeless elegance, clean lines, majestic proportions, 24-inch forged wheels, and a palette of 16 exclusive colors. The GV90 Neolun is more than an SUV, it's a statement of modern luxury, a unique sensory and technological experience. The first edition, with its two-tone finish and VIP amenities, embodies the absolute pinnacle of exclusivity. Available now, starting at €108,400, the GV90 opens a new chapter for Genesis, one of electrified, refined, and visionary luxury. The GV90 Neolun is not just an SUV, it's a revolution. It embodies the future of luxury, safety, and performance. Every detail, from its unique archgate doors to its VIP lounge-like interior, tells a story of innovation and timeless elegance. Genesis dared to defy conventions to create a flagship that redefines luxury mobility. And today, you've discovered why this model is already a legend. So, if you want to continue exploring the vehicles that make history with us, join our community. Subscribe, become a fan, and experience each launch as a unique event. Together, let's make this passion for cars an endless journey. The GV90 Neolun opens a new chapter, and you are the stars of it.